Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm back with another popcorn recipe. But this time I'll be showing you a simple way to make popcorn at home using a paper bag, some popcorn kernels, and a few other ingredients. All right, let's get started. So let's start off with what you'll need to make this popcorn. You will need paper bags, a high heat cooking oil, some salt or seasoning of your choice, measuring cups, popcorn kernels, plus a small bowl and spoon to stir your popcorn kernels. I know someone's probably gonna say you can go to the store and you can buy a box of popcorn and put it in the microwave and save yourself all the time and trouble. Absolutely, I agree. However, there's a lot of things that they add to it that aren't the healthiest for us. So this is a healthier alternative to microwavable popcorn. Okay. So in that bowl, that small bowl that I said you'd need, you're gonna go ahead and add in your popcorn kernels. That's half a cup. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna stir the ingredients together, making sure that my kernels are coated in the oil. Now I'm gonna pour my kernels in this bag. I'm going to seal it shut. So I'm gonna fold the top of the bag down 3 times. Okay, and then I'm just gonna place it in my microwave. I'll hit the popcorn button, which means it's gonna cook for about a little over 2 minutes. So half a cup of popcorn kernels will make a personal sized bag of popcorn. As the steam starts to kind of rise up in the bag, it'll unroll, but it won't open. Got about a minute left. Just listening to the popcorn kernels. Once they start to slow down, then I'll take it out. And just like that, we have some popcorn. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of ranch season. It's late, goodness. I'm gonna add a little bit of ranch seasoning. Shake it up. So good. Well, all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box where I always give a detailed list of instructions for the recipes. And if you've never made stovetop popcorn, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Don't forget, there are several ways to connect with me. You can send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com, leave me a comment, or connect with me in the community area where you can keep up with what's coming up next on the channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.